This is our 9.3 meters by 4 meters office module in this case. It's divided into two sections. That's 6.6 meters by 4, which is a conference and a training facility, and that's a 2.7 by 4 meters smaller room, which is for a small electronics laboratory, I think. This area is here. They wanted as much like open space in the front as possible, so we made a door system that actually slides a little and then folds in, so that approximately 4 meters of the front fascia is open when the doors are folded in and slid out. We finished off the inside with boarding, gypsum boarding and skimming and painting, and we've got OSB boards there, and it's a modular system, and as you can see, it requires no foundations. It just sits on the ground, and this is the Sheds and Shelters modular system.